What's up, guys? Now we're going to be reacting to a video of a dude crafting a katana. Yeah, I said a katana out of an old rusty chain. Yeah, this should be interesting. Let's get into it. Man, look at that chain, dude. Thing is huge. Turn this into a sword, bro. I'll be amazed. Impress me. Here we go. Damn, boy. Hammering away. Dude, how hot is that? If anyone knows, just let me know in the comments, because yeah, that thing looks hot as hell. He's just pounding away at this son of a bitch. Starting to take shape, though. Yeah. Starting to kind of look like one. Yeah. Dude, that was a fucking chain. That's crazy, dude. We ain't even done yet. Not even close. A lot of file sanding. Oh, yeah. This is impressive, dude. Gonna sharpen it up now, huh? Wow, dude. Grinding the blood groove. Getting that katana shape going. I couldn't really tell the difference. Okay. Oh, this must be for the handle. I was like, why is he drilling it? Is he gonna hack a motherfucker up with that bitch? I bet these dudes sell this shit, dude, for a good amount of money. Just do it for fun and just bank off it. What? What is he doing? Is that peanut butter? Peanut butter on a samurai sword, dude. Shit. Peanut butter. He's gonna cook it up. Intense slow motion. Dude. He's dipping that sucker and it's still on fire. What did that do? Just harden the blade or something? Did that shit he put on it and then dipped it? Well, heated it up, then dipped it. Was that like to harden the blade or? Looks like he's still going to town. This is a process. Spent 2 days for just sharpening this katana. Dude, look at that bad boy. Dude, it's really coming together. See yourself, yeah. Damn, dude. Ways a shot, brother. Ways. Got the candle wax out, huh? You going skateboarding? Oh, okay. So unprofessional. I wouldn't know, bro. You're doing a good job to me, dude. Keep it up. Man. This just looks dangerous. Burn your hands off. Dude, I want to see the work an actual fucking samurai has to go through to make a sword, man. Because, I mean, it still looks hard this way, but they probably had it way worse off, you know? Making the guard. lot of work. A lot of fucking work. Using the old lathe. With that work. This dude is hella good, dude. He knows what he's doing. Yeah. Just leave it. Call it. Call it good. It's done. That's a wrap. The hell is that? Pizza cutter? Oh shit, dude. You know, when he starts putting it together, it starts making sense, you know? It starts making sense. Shit. This is fucking insane. This started from a chain, an old rusty chain. Props, bro. It ain't even done yet. I want one. I want one. Send one my way, bro. It looks dope. That is awesome. Beautiful. Beautiful katana, dude. Props, brother. Out of a chain. Out of a chain. A rusty chain. 26-inch blade. "35 inches of pure fucking beast." Chop! Yeah. Gotta watch that again. I gotta watch it again. Chop him down. Chop him. Yeah! Oh, yeah. That was pretty dope. Started out with that big old rusty ass chain, and then ended up with that nice samurai sword, dude. It's Pretty dope how people have skills to just craft shit like that. Pretty dope. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe button. But yeah, I'm out of here. Peace.